Permutation and combination, one of the most important chapters for quantitative aptitude. Before going to the problems, let's first understand the concepts. First, let's understand what is factorial notion. Let n be a positive integer, then factorial n, denoted as n followed by an exclamation sign, is defined as n factorial equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3, so on till we reach 1. For example, 4 factorial equals to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equals to 24. 5 factorial equals to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equals to 120. Let's now talk about permutations. The different arrangements of a given number of things by taking sum of all at a time are called permutations. Examples: all permutations or arrangements made with the letters A, B and C by taking 2 at a time are AB, BA, AC, CA, BC and CB. In permutation, the places of the arrangements are also fixed. That's why AC and CA are treated as separate arrangements. Next example: all permutations made with the letter ABC taking all at a time are ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB and CBA. Here we can see it more clearly that in all arrangements all the letters are same but the places are interchanged. That's why they are treated as different arrangements. Then we'll know about number of permutations. Number of all permutations of n things taken r at a time is given by n permutation r equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2, so on till we reach n minus r plus 1. That is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. For example, 6 permutation 2 equals to 6 into 5, that is equal to 30. 7 permutation 3 equals to 7 into 6 into 5, that is equal to 210. Then let's see an important result of permutation. If there are n subjects of which P1 are alike of one kind, P2 are alike of another kind, P3 are alike of the third kind and so on till PR, where PR are alike of the rth kind, such that P1 plus P2 plus P3 dot 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 till PR equals to n. Then number of permutations of these n objects is n factorial by P factorial into P2 factorial into P3 factorial till PR factorial. Then let's understand combinations. Each of the different group of selections which can be formed by taking some or all of a number or object is called combination. For example, suppose we want to select 2 out of 3 boys A, B, C. Then possible selections are AB, BC and CA. Note that AB, BA are 2 different permutations but they represent the same combination. That's the difference between permutation and combination. Because if it would have been in permutation, then AB and BA would have been treated as 2 different arrangements. But in combination, they are treated as the same arrangement. Similarly, the only combination that can be formed of 3 letters A, B, C taken all at a time is A, B, C only. One more example: various group of 2 out of 4 persons A, B, C, D are AB, AC, AD, BC, BD and CD. Then we'll understand number of combinations. The number of all combinations of n things taken r at a time is n combination r equals to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. That is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 dot 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 till r factorial by r factorial. Now let's note few conditions about combination. Like n combination n equals to 1 and n combination 0 is also equal to 1. N combination r equals to n combination n minus r. Now let's see some examples like 11 combination 4. Following the formula n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, it gives 11 factorial by 4 factorial into 7 factorial. That is equal to 330. Now as it is given that NCR equals to NC n minus r, so let's test this formula in the second example. 11 combination 4 equals to 11 combination 11 minus 4, that is equal to 11 combination 7, that is equal to 11 factorial by 7 factorial into 4 factorial, that is equal to 330 again. Now let's solve some questions on permutations and combinations. Question 1. From a group of 7 men, 6 women, 5 persons are to be selected to form a committee so that at least 3 men are there on the committee. In how many ways can it be done? The options are 564, 645, 735 or 756. The right option is option D, 756. Let's see how. Now according to the question, we may have 3 men and 2 women, or 4 men and 1 woman, or 5 men only, because it's given that we must have at least 3 men. At most we can have 5 men. So the required number of ways are 7 combination 3 into 6 combination 2 plus 7 combination 4 into 6 combination 1 plus 7 combination 5, where 7 combination 3 represents 3 men from the group, 6 combination 2 represents 2 women from the group, 7 combination 4 represents 4 men from the group, 6 combination 1 represents 1 woman from the group, and 7 combination 5 represents 5 men from the group. Now straight away, putting the formulas, we are getting the answer as 756. Next question. In how many different ways can the letter of the word leading be arranged in such a way that the vowels always come together? The options are 360, 480, 720, 5040 or none of these. The right answer is 720. Let's see how. Here the word leading has 7 different letters. When the vowels E, A and I are always together, they are supposed to be treated as one letter. Then we have to arrange the letters L, N, D, G and E, A, I together. So here we have now 5, that is equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, that is equal to 120 ways. Then further the vowel E, A and I can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial, that is equal to 6 ways. So the required number of ways are 120 into 6, that is equal to 720 ways. Next question. A box contains 2 white balls, 3 black balls and 4 red balls. In how many ways can 3 balls be drawn from the box if at least 1 black ball is to be included in the draw? The options are 32, 48, 64 or 96. The right answer is option C, 64. Let's see how. Now as it is given that we must have at least 1 black ball, then we may have 1 black and 2 non-black, or 2 black and 1 non-black, or 3 black balls. So the required number of ways are 3 combination 1 into 6 combination 2 plus 3 combination 2 plus 6 combination 1 plus 3 combination 3. Straight away solving this formula, we are getting the answer as 64. Next question. In how many different ways can the letter of the word detail be arranged in such a way that the vowels occupy only the odd positions? The options are 32, 48, 36, 60 or 120. The right option is option C, 36. Let's see how. Now as you can see, there are 6 letters in the given word, out of which there are 3 vowels and 3 consonants. Let us mark these positions as under 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now as it is given that 3 vowels can only take the odd positions, so 3 vowels may be placed at any of the 3 places outmarked 1, 3 or 5. Number of ways of arranging the vowels is equal to 3 permutation 3. that is equal to 3 factorial equals to 6. Similarly, 3 consonants can be arranged at the remaining 3 positions. Number of ways these arrangements can be done is equal to 3 permutation 3, that is equal to 3 factorial equals to 6. So total number of ways is 6 into 6 equal to 36 ways.